Okay, so we forgot to blow up our grads. So let's put a stroke around her. We're going to stroke her white. On 13. Let's do the same with her. Add a stroke. And then let's take our the grad girl. We're going to add a stroke to her. Let's see what pink look like. Let's see what that looks like. Or maybe I should reverse it, put her white and then pink. That's white. Then let's stroke the other one. I want to hold the Alt key to make a copy of these dots and just bring some over here. All right, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this video was some help to you. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing more videos to this channel. All right, thank you so much. Have a good one.